Alrighty guys, final video of 2016, let's do this. So to cap up what has been an excellent year, we wanted to share with you what we've been working on for the best part of 2016. We've been building a database that curates the best titles across comics, gaming and animation from Africa and the African diaspora. The animation category has kind of evolved into film/TV. We're also looking to add books as well, but that's for the future. Let's focus on the present. So all you need to do is go to Kugali.com and then it will redirect you to beta.kugali.com. And the reason why it's beta is because the website is still a prototype, but it's good enough for you guys to play around with at this point. So if you're pressed for time, you can go to our featured section where we handpick some of the coolest titles we've come across in the preceding week. But if you want to dive into things, then you can go to our navigation bar here. The main things to look out for are the comics, film/TV, and gaming. But if you've got, if you're really into this, then we've got interviews from creators from across the African diaspora and Africa as well. We have a podcast. We also have a blog. So, we've got everything. But, the main sort of primary features are the comics, the film/TV, and gaming sections. So as the resident comic nerd of the Kugali team, if I go to comics, I already have a tab open. And so you will find the latest title on the homepage banner, which is Red Origins in this case. But as you scroll down, you will discover more and more titles. So if anything piques your fancy, so let's say we go for Kamikaze, it will pull up a details page. So you can just, read one or two sentences. And then if you want to see more, you can then click on the details. So I've already opened up a title that I like, which is called Eru by Comic Republic in Nigeria. And so you just find all of the useful metadata, where is it available? How much does it cost? In this case, it is free. And then you can watch a quick preview, if you're not entirely convinced, find out more about the publisher, read a quick synopsis, check out some concept art, check out the team behind it, and then finally, that should be enough for you to make a decision as to whether or not you want to read it. If you do want to read it, then you can do two things. You can add it to your watch list in case you don't want to read it now, and then you just receive alerts every time a new issue comes out. And if you do finally read it, then leave a rating or review. So here you can actually read reviews that people have written, and then you can leave your own. You can also actually comment on people's reviews in case you agree or disagree with what they've said. And last but not least, you can share these titles with your friends. So it's a quick cap up is this website allows you to discover various Black and African titles. It shows you where you can read, watch, or play them, because obviously we have the film, TV, and gaming sections. And then you can share them with your friends. Then you can leave a rating and a review, and then just find out relevant information. And it works the same way with all of our other categories. I'll just show you a quick glimpse of the profile page. If you set up a profile on Kugali, it will show you everything you've added to your watch list. It will show you everything that you've rated, and you can actually watch other people's profiles as well to see their watch lists and see what they have rated as well. So a little bit of social functions in there as well, but it's a work in progress, so we'll keep you guys updated. But that's essentially it, guys. That is Kugali in a nutshell. So thanks very much, guys, for following us and subscribing to this channel. You've all been awesome. We have many cool things planned for you in 2017, so watch this space.